Seatbelts are an important component of your SRS system. They are vital in saving your life in the event of an accident. Once an accident has occurred, your seatbelts will deploy, locking up in place so that you don't fly out of your car. Those seatbelts need to be replaced or repaired. Replacement sets can cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars. To use our service, take the following steps. Remove the seatbelt from your vehicle. After removing, confirm how many charges you have by the amount of connectors you disconnected when you were removing it. In this case, there's 2 charges, one here and one on here. That would make it a dual stage. Choose a service that's appropriate for your seatbelt, single, dual, or triple. Pay for it, put the receipt in the box, put the seatbelt in the box, and ship it into us. We'll have it repaired using quality OEM parts and shipped back to you within 24 hours. And you can always call, text, or email us. Order now and save.